Have you heard about the man who only ate ants?
You're not a man, you're a mushroom. Pedro, he always brings his snacks to the restaurant. Your house has 4 guitars and no beds.
I would like some new software for my brain.
It wouldn't enter without a little oil. We play badminton with an orange. My little brother's still a noob. Lithuanians are often found in Lithuania. Mother, I want a twin. It is quite warm in hell. Julia, are you familiar with Shakira? She knows how to sing very well. But you don't. I told her I love her, but she thought it was a joke.
Are you cheating on your dog if you go for a walk alone?
Whatever you do, don't go to England. See, my cat, he plays a football with the crab, huh? Them dang mice, they don't exist. That's the dang conspiracy, that is. That's what the government want you to believe. He always brings his snacks to the restaurant. I drink water. How about you? We swim, since we are fish. Do you drive to school? No, we go to school in a plane.
He dies 60 days before the wedding.
Il en France, I don't care about anything. I don't belong to this world. The father of the bride sang like a goat. Gravity is the only thing keeping me here. Mother, I want a twin. Has 4 guitars and no beds. That often found in Lithuania. My little brother's still a noob. That often found in Lithuania. Sorry to interrupt there, buddy, but there's a hand coming out of your toilet. Is this an egg or a pineapple? Il en France, He took his shirt off and rode a bear. Would you like to buy my old socks? You're not a man, you're a mushroom. Do not eat the yellow snow. Repeat, do not eat the yellow snow. A table for 2 people and a horse. This bicycle belongs to the berry. You're a mushroom. Oh, I'm an expert at making dumb comments.
Because you come here, you don't show my family no respect. You don't call me godfather like you're supposed to. And because of this, he dies 60 days before the wedding.
Have you heard about the man who only ate ants? 'Tis a terrible story about a man and his pants. He used to go on these long nutritional rants about the benefits of eating nothing else but ants. Is someone at the door?